In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. This process is fairly straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless experience whether you're looking to end it immediately or set a reminder to do so later. Let's begin by navigating to the Amazon homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the sign in button. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do so now. Enter your registered email address and click continue. Next, you'll need to input your password. Once entered, hit sign in to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself back on the Amazon homepage. Here, locate the account and lists tab, which is typically presented at the top right of the page. Clicking on this will prompt a drop-down menu. From there, select the account link, which will redirect you to your account overview page. Once you are in your account settings, find the Prime option. This is where we manage all things related to your Amazon Prime membership. Clicking on Prime will take you to a page dedicated to your Prime membership details. Look for the section labelled Manage Membership. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to further options where you will select End Membership. This is a crucial step if you want to cease your Prime benefits. Here you will be presented with several options. Amazon usually provides the choice to either end your membership immediately or set a reminder to cancel it later. This thoughtful feature is particularly useful if you have some remaining benefits you'd like to use up before finally saying goodbye to Prime. Bear in mind that you should choose the option that best suits your current situation and needs. Once you've decided on the cancellation timing, follow the on-screen instructions meticulously. The prompts are designed to confirm your decision, ensuring you understand the implications of cancelling your membership, such as losing access to benefits like free 2-day shipping and Prime Video. Carefully read through these prompts and confirm your choice to cancel. And there you have it. Once your membership cancellation is finalized, you'll be officially free from Amazon Prime. It's always a good idea to double check your email for any confirmation from Amazon that your membership has been ended. This process should give you peace of mind that your Amazon Prime subscription is no longer active. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below.